Hello, class, and welcome to week 5 in your online general psychology class. We are moving right along after last week, which was week 4. You are a quarter of a way through the semester already. So we are cranking along. You are doing a great job. So keep up the good work and make sure you're keeping up on top of your assignments. So this week, as we move into week 5, we're moving into chapter 4, which is over sensation and perception. So this week, we will be looking at our sensory systems and how that information is taken in through one of our 5 senses, and then is processed in the brain, which is the perception side of it. So it's a really neat way of seeing what we've set the groundwork for with learning about the neuron and the nervous system and how the brain works and how we study psychology as a science, and bringing that all together and now seeing how that relays into perception. So let's take a look at our module for the week. You have the PowerPoint. This week, I also have included a micro lecture on the neuron. So the neuron is our basic building block, but incredibly important to our entire functioning and how messages are sent away from the brain and towards the brain. So a little extra lecture on the neuron. You'll have 2 connect assignments, one over hearing and sound, and the other one over the function of the ear. And then your chapter 4 quiz. So there are no writing assignments this week, 2 connect assignments and your quiz. I hope you have a great week, everybody.